What are you studying?
I'm studying English language. I find it interesting because it helps us understand how we talk and write. It's like unlocking the secrets of words and sentences.
Do you enjoy your studies?
Yes, I really like it. Learning about English language is fun for me. I like figuring out how words fit together and how people use language to communicate. It's like solving a puzzle that helps me understand the world better. So, yeah, I enjoy my studies in English language a lot.
Did you study well in school?
I was a pretty diligent student in school. I tried to study consistently, keep organized notes, and manage my time effectively. My grades reflected my study habits.
What helps you concentrate when studying?
To concentrate when studying, I find a quiet location, put my phone on silent mode, listen to instrumental music, and take regular short breaks. Staying hydrated helps too.
Do you prefer to study alone or with others?
If it's reviewing material, I'm most effective studying alone. But for big projects, I enjoy collaborating and learning from others in a group. The balance works for me.
What do you find most difficult about studying?
The most difficult thing can be staying motivated on topics that you find less interesting. Also, synthesizing large amounts of information is challenging. Outlining helps me.
Did your parents help you study when you were younger?
Yes, my parents supervised my homework when I was younger. They helped explain concepts and quizzed me before tests, which was very beneficial.
Do you think students today have to study more than in the past?
I think in some ways students have to study and master more complex skills today with increased technology. But the time spent studying varies greatly depending on the person.
Do you think class size affects studying?
Yes, smaller class sizes allow teachers to give students more individual focus and support, which aids studying. Large classes can make it easier to disengage.
Will studying become less important in the future?
I don't believe studying will become less important, but how we study and the skills valued may change with evolving technologies. Lifelong learning will likely remain crucial.